55 plus community right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. I can't wait to show it to you. Come along. It is a beautiful fall day, believe it or not, right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. And it's about 70 degrees. Don't be hating. It's so nice today. I even wore sleeves and I'm burning up. But anyway, we are here in the newest 55 plus community right here again in Parrish, Florida, which is really nice because most of you guys know we only really have two 55 plus communities. So this one is new. It is offered by Kolter Homes. You might know of Kolter in Lakewood Ranch. It's called Crestwind there. This one is called Woodland Preserve. There are so many trees around. So if you're looking for something that, of course, isn't as expensive as Lakewood Ranch, but you want the quality that Kolter gives you, well, we're going to go through them today. So as you can see here, there's about 6 model homes, and we're going to cruise through them all. So I'm not going to show you all 6 of these model homes on one video, right? Snooze fest. I'm going to break them up so you can come back and look at them individually. However, in order to do that, you really need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and of course, so that you can be alerted every time these videos are available. So please like this video and subscribe. And of course, they have their own design studio here. So if you buy something in this area, you're going to be able to do your appointments here for the design. Yes, you get to design your own, whereas a lot of the other ones, you get what they put in it. So I think this one's going to give a lot of great options. And of course, the price is going to be higher, a little bit higher than Del Webb, maybe definitely a higher than Prosperity Lakes Lennar. But here you're going to get some customization that you can do for yourself. So let's get in and see what they have to offer. First, let me show you where Woodland Preserve is going to land on a broader scale map. You'll see over here to the left, this is Interstate 75 running north and south. And then right here is the Manatee River. That is exit 224 in Ellenton. And if you take a cruise up 301, Highway 301, this is where a lot of new development is happening. We have our own Lowe's and of course we have a Home Goods and we have all kinds of great new restaurants going here. We got us a Panera. You know we're big time now. So a lot of great things going on. And then up here to the north is Moccasin Wallow Road. A lot of you have heard about a lot of the new development that's going on Moccasin Wallow and in that North River Ranch area. That's going to be really, really nice. So this is a great area if you're looking for something that still has a small hometown charm, but you want the feel of all of the amenities. And you can see that that's on this map. They're showing shopping and dining and recreation, entertainment, hotels and travel. And of course, education. We have new schools here. We have a new State College of Florida coming in. We've got 2 new hospitals coming in. So this map shows you everything, and where right here in the middle is where Woodland Preserve is going to be off of Golf Course Road. And then from 301 to Fort Hamer, or from Lakewood Ranch to Fort Hamer, you're going to turn onto Golf Course Road, and that's this road right here. And then you can see the development in all of its glory, Woodland Preserve, both the current phase here, where you see these different color lots that are available, and then the future development that's going to move on back there. So they're going to be here a few years working on this community. It's just really going to be lovely. And I want you to notice here there are 2 entrances and exits. The entrance right here is its grand entrance. I'm going to show you a video rendering of what it's going to look like. It's going to be really nice. It's going to have a roundabout, and that is right off of Spencer Parrish Road. And then here on the other side, the back end of the community, there's going to be another entrance. That's what this one looks like. They are both gated, and it looks like eventually in the front entrance off of Spencer Parrish that they will have a man gate. I think that's going to depend on if the homeowners want that manned or not, and want to pay somebody to stand in there. And then on the other gate here off of Jim Davis Road, that's going to be just, where you have one of those sensors on your car, and it is a non-manned gate. So let's take a look at the rendering video that Kolter Homes put together to show you what it's going to be like to come into this entrance of Woodland Preserve. Isn't that going to be a beautiful entrance? Here's the back side, the back gate of Woodland Preserves. You see we're going through these gates. They don't have the gates up yet, and they've planted a lot of really nice foliage. It's going to take a while for that stuff to grow in, but it's going to be beautiful. And then, of course, on the right and left of the road here, you're going to see lots that are available. We're going to go over lot prices later and what the ranges of those lot prices. Remember, the base pricing of the house does not include any lot premium, so you'd have to add that in. And then, of course, these are spec homes that they're going to be offering. Nobody owns these yet. They're already going to be available for people to purchase if they need a spec home. So these are great lots, a lot of water in this community. And again, if you look at the overall map, you're going to see the lots that are laid out in phase one. We're going to go over that in a second. But if you look right here, this is where the clubhouse and the amenity center is going to be, overlooking those beautiful ponds. Yes, there's back-to-back water features right here. You've got a walking path in between, as you see, and then these great water features. So let's take a look at what the clubhouse is going to look like from their rendering video. This fenced area is where the clubhouse is being built. They're going to start this month, right now, 2024 December, and it's supposed to be done December of next year, 2025. This is the road that is going to be built through. So if you look at this map again, remember I showed you off of Spencer Parrish. Over here where the roundabout is, this is that beautiful entrance that's going to come off of Golf Course Road and Spencer Parrish. And so this is the little section where they are building right now, and that's part of this video that you see. You can see all of the water features that are around it, all of the trees. It's going to be really lovely. So they're going to be working on the entrance here. Not sure when that's going to be done, but it will be done soon. And of course, I want to draw your attention to this huge conservation area. So all of this area that you see here is conservation area, meaning they cannot build on this. I'm telling you, people, this is going to be beautiful because especially these lots right here, of course, they haven't been opened yet. That's a future development, wouldn't you know? But those homes are going to back to some beautiful water and preserve views. But look how much land and trees are available here. It's going to be a really lovely community. And here's the video that Kolter Homes put together to show you an aerial view of that beautiful land. Welcome to the Woodland Preserve lobby of their sales center. And boy, are you going to get a nice customer service experience here. Isn't this beautiful? I love me some good customer service. It's kind of rare these days, as you all know. But if I'm going to be spending that much money on a house, I want the experience to be luxurious and personalized from start to finish. And look at this. There's a great little snack area here. You can grab snacks and drinks, and it's just a beautiful little kitchen area, great places to sit. They're also going to get your name and your real estate agent, whoever is representing you, they're going to get all of your information. But look at this. They're going to take you through basically what you're going to experience as you're going through the homes, what their community is like, how the spaces are laid out, how many homes are in the community, what you're getting in the amenity center, you know, the trails and the fitness and that sort of thing. So they're going to give you a great experience here, explaining what they have to offer, what their homes have to offer, how many floor plans they have, how many customizations they have for each floor plan. So all of this is going to be a really great customer experience for you. And they're going to offer here two separate collection of homes. This is the Cooper collection on 50-foot wide lots. You'll see there are 4 floor plans in this Cooper collection. The Ava, the Jade, the Laura, the Morgan, supposedly named after movie stars. I don't know who Jade is, because maybe, yeah, it couldn't be Jada Pinkett, because that's Jada. This is Jade, but anywho, 3 of these are modeled here, and you're going to see individual videos that I make of this. The Ava, the Laura, and the Morgan are all modeled here. The Jade is not, but that's what they're going to build in their Cooper collection. And then 3 larger floor plans in their Harrison collection. These are on 60-foot wide lots, the Pearl, the Rachel, and the Sarah. And I will say the Pearl and the Sarah, you're going to see them on different videos that I've made. The Rachel is not modeled here. So either of those homes, the Jade or the Rachel, that are not modeled here, but you would like to maybe see one of those, then make sure when you make an appointment with me to come and look at this community, that we also make an appointment to go see where these are modeled in different communities around town. And going back to the map, you'll see the different colors here for the lot selections. And the yellow is going to indicate the 50-foot wide lots, the Cooper collections. You see there's a lot more of those being offered right now. I think the bigger lots, the 60-foot wide lots that are the blue color, that's the Harrison collection. I think they're going to save a lot of the bigger lots for the next phase of homes. There's going to be a total of 420 homes in this community, so not massively big. I think it's going to be really quaint, very beautiful, nicely tucked into the trees and that sort of thing. So I think they have a lot to offer here. And then this is their inventory of lot availability. You can see this map on their website. And of course, this is going to change every day as they sell things, but you'll be able to see the lots that have sold, the lots that are available. If you want to pick one out and have something built on it, of course, where their models are, any inventory homes that they're currently building, and of course, what the developer hold lots are. So I still think some of those developer lots that they're holding right now, those are going to be some really good ones. So always check in, and I can always let you know which ones are the most current. Give me a ring. And of course, I want to make sure I explain to you their design studio process, which I think is really kind of brilliant. I wish all of the builders offered this. Of course, the builders that do offer customizations and do have a design center, several builders don't have that anymore. But here at Kolter, it's going to be a different process. So if you have been to other builders and you have this whole 5-hour thing and you're overwhelmed and everything seems to look the same after a while and you feel like you're pressured to make your decisions, well, they're going to do it a little differently.
they're going to offer you 3 separate meetings that occur on 3 different days. You're going to have an orientation meeting, which is about 2 weeks before you start to select your items that you want in your home. It's a 2-hour meeting, and you're going to meet with a design professional. They're going to explain the process to you and how they do the design appointment. Then you get to have a whole hour to just walk around and browse through all of the items that they offer, which gives you an opportunity to write things down, take pictures, and really take it home with you and think about what the upgrade prices are, which ones you can't live without and the ones that you can do without. So I think that that's really important. Then you're going to have the meeting itself, which is where you come and select all of your interior finishes. That is a 5-hour meeting. So that's going to be a fun day. And then the last day would be about a 3-hour review and confirmation. That's where you meet with your person, again, your design professional, and you go through all of the options that you had, the ones you wanted the most. Maybe you take some off, you put some on, that sort of thing. So I think that this is a great process, and there's so many beautiful design options.
So maybe what Woodland Preserve has to offer you has piqued your interest. Perhaps you would like to know more about this. Listen, I wasn't able to give you all of the interior features that they offer as standard or all of the exterior features. I just gave you some highlights because I think those are the most important things you want to know. And of course, you want to know what the CDD fees are and the HOA and what it includes. And of course, you got that information, but there's so much more to share with you. I'd love the opportunity to chat with you about what else they offer there, which lots I think are going to be the best for resale and that sort of thing. So please, the only way to do that is to reach out to me. I'd love the opportunity to chat with you about your journey, what you're thinking about moving to these areas and what it's like to live. I live in Parrish. I love it. But even if you're looking at other areas, I would just love the opportunity to chat with you. And remember, I'm going to do individual videos on each of the floor plans that they have modeled at Woodland Preserve. So make sure that you're alerted when those are available by subscribing to this YouTube channel. I look forward to chatting with you guys. I'm Catherine Newman. Thanks for joining. I'll see you again next time.